magkamali kayo ng konti, sabihin ko, patayin kayo. Madali mamapatay ng tao. Sundan mo lang sa likod, paputukan mo, tapos lakad ka lang, kalma. Isang newspaper lang naman, isang sigawan lang. Ang ingay dyan sa TV, 2 araw lang, 3 araw, tapos na. And I go around with the motorcycle, with the big bike, and I would just patrol the streets and looking for trouble also. Tagla naghanap ako ng inkwento para makapatay. Anong maitulong mo sa akin? Sabi ko, maitulong kasi bigyan kita M16, puntahan mo sa bahay isang umaga, ratatan mo lahat. Bakit ka man matakot magpatay? Kung may mamatay, sorry. Collateral damage.
Dun sa Paruhinog case, gina-justify niyo po ba yung sinasabi ng iba na overkill, masyadong OA yung ginawang operations?
The police and the military should make sure that their enemies are dead. Bakit ko gusto yan? Ako yung commander-in-chief of all the armed forces. Remember that. Commander-in-chief. About 3 of them, because there were 3 of them. I didn't really know how many bullets from my gun went inside their bodies, but it happened. And I said I cannot lie about it because, but if it means killing people, kneeling down with their hands tied at the back, that's all bullshit.
Do you think that makes you fit for the job of president?
Yes, of course. Given the problems of my country, yes. I have 4 million drug addicts in my country. So that is not a joke. For as long as there are drug pushers in the streets in my country, for as long as there are drug lords, this campaign will go on until the last, and until all of them are killed.
But you're also highly dependent on drugs, sir. Would you consider yourself a drug addict? You've admitted to taking prescription medication.
Yes, but I'm not an addict. Only when it is prescribed. Addiction, when there's regularity, my friend. When you take it and there's a monkey on your back, that's addiction. One of the severe problems ng Cebu is drugs. And it has contaminated a lot of policemen here. Used to be controlled by a mayor on the western side. And that would be wala na dito, sumibat na. It's mabilog, and I warned him repeatedly that, pagkamatay ni Parahino, sabi niya na galit baba ako sa kanya. Sabi ko rin lang galit. Papatayin kita, Litchega. Father was governor for 12 years. Hindi ako natutunan niyang politika. And I really embrace and kiss people. Huwag lang yung pedophile ka, but yung magaganda, hinalikan ko ta.
Pero ang una mong target sa intelligence firm mo, kayo, ikaw, Franz, kayong mga komunista ang gusto kong patay.
Then when I became president, ganito. Bakit? Sinasabi ko, I can clean it in 6 months. And after that, I realized na nagkamali talaga ako.